Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can create like this flip card animation in this After Effects. And this is completely beginner friendly tutorial, so make sure watch till the end. Also, you can suggest me tutorial ideas in the comments and I'll try to create tutorials on your ideas. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the After Effects. So this business card open the Adobe Illustrator. So this is the front background of the business card and this one is backside background of the business card, and this is the backside design and this one is front side design. Okay, and this is the cover and each layer are separated. So let's jump into the After Effects and double click on the project panel and select this business card and click on this composition retain layer sizes. Click on this import and create a composition and name this main and size 920 by 1080 and I'm keeping the duration 50 seconds and hit OK. Select all of this layer and drag and drop into the composition and press S and decrease the scale size of this. Now align everything properly. So let's align. Alright, so let's rename it each layers. So this is the backside design. Rename it. And this is the backside background, name this, and this is the cover, and this is the front side design, name this front design, and the last front background. Alright, so we have everything. Now select the rectangle, draw a rectangle same as the business card size and rename it card depth. And select all layers, make them 3D and select everything and make parent to this card depth. Now expand this card depth, expand the geometry options and make this bevel depth value 0 and go to the top view and expand this extrusion depth. Let's make this 8. So this is the front side of the card and this one is the back side of the card, and we have to move this backside layers, so backside and front side layer front side. So first front background, this one, and this is already in the front side. Let's move it little bit more front of the depth, and this is the front design. So we have to move this front of the background. So this is the background and this is their design. Now select this. This is the background. So move it behind of the depth here, and this is the back design, move it behind of this background depth. Select this cover and we have to move this cover front of these 2 layers. So let's move this here. Okay, so cover is front of above the 2 layer. Now go back to the actual camera. Now if you rotate this card again, then you will see everything is connected with the depth layer. Okay, so now let's start the animating card. To the beginning, press P at the position keyframe, press R to add the X rotation and Z rotation keyframe, and press U to see all of these keyframes. And rotate the X rotation and move it card down like this. Rotate the Z rotation and this card should be in the center. Now go to the around 5.5 seconds and move this card up like this. Okay, and rotate this X rotation as well. Let's move this center, so this it should come here. Okay, and if you play this animation, it will come out like this. So go to the few seconds forward and rotate this X rotation like this, so that we can see the back side of the card, and rotate this Z rotation as well and move it in the center. We have to split this background design. So select this back design one and right click, transform and flip it vertical. Okay, so this is perfect. Let's flip this one more time and go again few seconds forward and rotate this X rotation like this and Z rotation as well and move it in the center of the screen. Okay, so this is perfect. So let's make the distance between these animations. So select both of these keyframes and move it to the right side, and this animation move them again right side. So let's make the render area after this keyframe. Now select all of these keyframes and F9 to ease them, and go to the graph editor and enable this speed graph. Now select this handle and move it to the left side like this and make your graph like this. After that, select this handle and move it like this. Select the last handles and move it to the left side. And your animation will look like this. Alright guys, so go back to the timeline. Now let's apply the page turn animation on this cover page. So select this cover page, go to the affecting page panel and search CC page turn and apply onto this cover page. Now change these controls to top right corner and back opacity 100% and select the back page none. And go to the around 1 seconds, add this fold position keyframe and select the center point and fill your card completely and go to the around 4.5 seconds and move it like this. Okay, out of the composition, and I just want to make this backside color darker, so let's make this dark. Then you will see reflection of the lighting, and if you want to change the lighting reflection, then you can just change the light direction. Okay, now let's play this animation. Okay, so select the cover, press U to see this keyframe and go to the end of this keyframe, and I feel this should go out little more far from the composition. Okay, now select the front design. So this is my front design, and go again effect in preset panel and search CC light sweep and apply onto this front design. So this is our front design, and you will see center point and move it to the left side, move it to the right side. Okay, and go after this. Okay, and add this center keyframe and go again few seconds forward and move it like this here. Okay, and press U to see this keyframe and play this. And if you feel this is too fast, then select this again and move it to the right side. Alright, so let's do it again. So select both of these keyframes, control to duplicate and select this keyframe and move it to the right side like this. And let's do it again, control to duplicate and select this keyframe, move it to the right side. Alright, so let's play this again. And if you want to increase the thickness of this sweep lighting, then select this one and increase this thickness value. So select the back design and go again effect on preset panel, or you can just select this keyframe, Ctrl C to copy and select this back design and Ctrl V to paste and press U to see this keyframe. And this is also looking good, but we have to show this early, so move it to select this keyframe and move it to the more left side. Select this end keyframe and move it to the left side this as well. I feel this is looking good. Let's do this again on this keyframe. So select this keyframe, control it to duplicate and move it to the right side after this flip. So let's move it here. Alright, so this is complete. Let's see this animation. Now guys, if you want to add lighting, then right click new, add this light and select this environment light and cast shadow checked and hit OK and press R, and you can adjust the lighting direction. Let's play the final animation. And if you want to add this shadow on this base, then you can watch this video how you can create this shadow. So guys, this animation is complete. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, then hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.